Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the video is about Quinoa Khichdi in Instant Pot. Quinoa Khichdi is a pressure cooker recipe. It's a healthy, delicious meal made with quinoa, moong dal and mixed vegetables, which is purely a delectable comfort food. Quinoa has come a long way, all the way from the back shelves of health food stores to national supermarket aisles. Its high in protein content, sweet and nutty flavor, and delicate texture have made quinoa a popular substitute for a starchier pasta and rice. You must be wondering how quinoa can help you to lose weight. Because quinoa is high in protein and dietary fibers, eating this grain helps to boost your metabolism and burn belly fat. So not only quinoa suppresses hunger, it also provides necessary fibers and amino acids to make your body functioning properly. I'm making this quinoa khichdi in Instant Pot. You can also make the same quinoa khichdi in your regular pressure cooker. Let's start this recipe. Turn on the saute mode in your Instant Pot for 5 minutes and to the maximum level. To this add 1 teaspoon ghee and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splatter, add 1 teaspoon jeera, to this add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. You can also add 1 tablespoon of garlic to this, but I am avoiding garlic in this recipe. Add finely chopped onion and mix it well. Next, you have to add vegetables of your choice. You can add any vegetables. I am going to add here capsicum, carrot, beans, potato, peas and some corn. Outer layer of quinoa is covered with a protein called saponin and it has to be removed from the quinoa. So it has to be pre-soaked for 15 minutes. So here I am soaking it with moong dal for 15 minutes to remove the bitterness and soapiness of the quinoa. Next I am adding soaked and rinsed quinoa and moong dal. I am adding half cup of moong dal and half cup of quinoa. Mix it well. Add salt according to taste. Some turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of pepper. To spice up, I'm just adding pepper. You can also add some green chilies or red chilies. Add 2 cups of water. Close the lid. Put the valve for sealing position. And switch on the pressure cook mode for 5 minutes. Once done, open the valve. The delicious quinoa khichdi is ready. Replacing a portion of your white rice with quinoa is a very ideal way to lose weight. I hope you like this recipe. Click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.